Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to our first guided meditation for 2025. And I hope everything went very, very well for you guys. Today, what we're going to do, whether you're setting your intentions for the day or the week or the month, whatever, or the year, um, I'm going to do a guided meditation. It's going to be a total of maybe 10, 15 minutes, depending on how we flow. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is for you to set your intentions for the day. Listen, setting your intentions is extremely important for your manifestation. Whatever you're trying to manifest on, you have to focus on it. And whatever you're focusing on, that's setting your intention. Okay. You're intending to do X, Y, and Z. I want to do X, right? That's setting your intention. Okay. So it's vitally important for you to take 10, 15 minutes of your day, even just to reset your energy, to get back to your Zen spots, to set your intentions. Usually it's good to do it early in the morning. So today I'm going to do a really quick guided meditation with you. Everything starts in your mind. So it's good for the benefits of meditating. It lowers your stress. Okay. It's a stress reducer. It helps you be in control of your emotions so you're not all over the place. It helps you sleep. You sleep better. Your overall health benefits from every cell in your body, benefits from you taking some time, going back into yourself, and just resetting. A lot of the times you go back into your mind and you calm yourself down. You are in control of your mind and your body, not your body being in control of you. Okay, you want more information about that, you have to join the classes that I'm giving, which is the new program when we're talking about changing your mindset and how to manifest what you want by changing your mind. Anyway, so we're going to start our meditation really quickly. So get in a spot where you're comfortable. You can sit. If you're grounding, it's good to do it outside, but I'm indoors in the studio today, so get really comfortable. Okay. And we're going to start by breathing. You don't even have to close your eyes right now. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And slowly release it out of your mouth. Deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Slowly release it out of your mouth. Okay, we're going to do that for a couple of breaths. Eyes open. Deep breath in. And release it. We're going to do that for 10 breaths. I need you to count. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do that for 10 breaths, okay? When you get ready, if you want to, close your eyes. When you close your eyes, I need you to go into yourself. Deep breath in. And release. Now, as we go into this meditation, I want you to find a sound in the space, a constant sound. Deep breath in. Release. Usually this constant sound would be the sound of the air conditioning, sound of wind, put a slow frequency on. Deep breath in and release. And as you go into yourself, as you close your eyes, I want you to try to stop all thought patterns. Deep breath in and release. Now here's the critical part. I want you to start getting great. Deep breath in and release. Think about all the things that you're grateful for. Breath in and release. Focus on your breath and release. I want you to think about all the things you're grateful for. The activity of your limbs, that you're here in this present moment, that you are breathing. You're grateful for life. We are grateful for love. We are grateful for our health in this moment. Now we are at the point where, as you're grateful and you have changed your frequency, you should feel different. Now that we're changed our frequency to a higher frequency because we are grateful, we didn't have to be here. So in your breath, deep breath in and release. Now we're going to get quiet. Now I want you to just sit, feel your body, go to your heart. About what you want to manifest. What do you want to set your intention? Get that picture of your heart beating right now. Write it upon your heart, whatever it is. Deep breath in and release. Tell yourself you can do whatever you put your mind. Deep breath in and release. Think about that intention that you want. Think about you already receiving it. Deep breath in and release. Picture yourself and how you would feel already received whatever that intention is. Deep breath in and feel the happiness of that manifestation coming into your life. Breath in and release. Release all your thought patterns. Deep breath in and just feel happiness. Now, as we close our practice, I want you to wiggle your fingers. Bring your self-awareness back into your body. Deep breath in and release. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Deep breath in. Release. I hope that it helped you shift your energy to get to a happy place. Continue to do your guided meditations. Continue to meditate. I wish you love and light. Until next time.